The KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
On a day like this, a meteorologist wants to step outside and enjoy the beautiful weather with all of you as well. And hopefully you were able to soak up that sunshine. But if you didn't, you'll have one more chance tomorrow to see some of that sun. I think we do see some clouds throughout the afternoon. And then moving into Monday, it does look like we'll have the chance for scattered showers and maybe a few thunderstorms moving into the area with our next cold front. But looking at the big picture on our water vapor, we can kind of see we're kind of between two systems right now. We have the area of low pressure that's moving off the Atlantic Ocean. That was that nor'easter storm that battered the northeast region from Boston down to New York, bringing some heavy snowfall through the interior regions and then dealing with coastal flooding and very high waves and winds up along Boston where they saw gusts up to 90, 100 miles an hour. So we're talking hurricane force winds with that system, but the good news is it is pulling out to sea. We're seeing the great weather thanks to this area of high pressure in the southern Gulf of Mexico down towards the Bay of Campeche. Clearing things out though, we will start to see some clouds on the return side of this move in across our area tomorrow, but we're awaiting our next low, getting the move into the Pacific Northwest, bringing some rains and snows back through northern California and into the Rocky Mountains. Eventually, some of that moisture will head our way and bring us a chance for showers late Monday into Tuesday morning. But this afternoon, bright blue sunny skies across the Bayou State and much of the southeast. But we did have some clouds back over Texas, and they're starting to get a little closer to us. And eventually, some of this cloud cover will work over Acadiana through the rest of tonight, but I think better as we go into tomorrow afternoon. Right now, we're sitting at 60 degrees, so a pretty comfortable night across the region. Winds on the light side of the east-southeast, but it is helping to bring a little bit of that humidity back. Right now, dew points sitting at 46, but we'll gradually start to see these climb up a little bit, I think getting into the lower 50s by tomorrow morning. So that's why overnight lows will stay in the 50s tonight, and then we'll start to see those temperatures climb tomorrow afternoon thanks to that southerly flow off the Gulf. So mainly clear through tonight, maybe some northern clouds up towards Alexandria, but the clouds really start to thicken tomorrow afternoon as that warm front lifts off the top of the region. We should stay dry, but maybe one or two showers could be a possibility, but it looks like most of the moisture will stay off to our west and to the north over Texas and up into Oklahoma. That continues to lift up through the overnight hours, so Monday morning will be a mild start, temperatures in the 60s to get the day started. But we're watching that front that'll begin to make its way in across our area throughout the afternoon. This is at 2:30, maybe one or two scattered showers in across the area, but it's going to be mainly when that front gets with us that we really see the rain chances ramp up. And I think by 10 o'clock, that's when we'll have the best chance to see scattered showers. And you can see with the yellows and orange, a few thunderstorms maybe moving through. Not looking at any severe weather, but could bring some heavy downpours locally as this system moves through the area. It should push off to the east by Tuesday morning, so we'll be waking up to maybe a lingering shower, but I think the clouds are with us to get the day started. But by Tuesday afternoon, we should see that sunshine again, but northerly flows return, and that'll keep us on the cool side for much of next week, as you might want to have those heavy jackets throughout the mid part of the week, as we could see highs only in the low 60s. Rainfall totals with the system could be on the higher side. You can see getting up to near 2 inches over towards Lake Charles and to the western portions. That is not good news, as the Calcasieu and the Sabine River are on the high sides, already at minor flood stages for many of those areas, so that could aspirate some of that issues. But I'm not looking at a whole lot otherwise with this. Just a decent soaking Monday night into Tuesday morning. So a cool late winter night out there, near average lows in the low 50s. Some clouds developing late across the area, but it should be another beautiful day across the region for our Sunday. Perfect for the marathon runners tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the 50s. Eventually, though, making our way into the 70s, so a tad warmer thanks to that southeasterly breeze. And after the weekend of enjoying the sunshine, keep it tuned here at KATC at 5:30. The Oscars will begin starting. Our early newscast will be up 30 minutes, though, starting at 5 p.m., so make sure you set your clocks to catch us then. There's the rain showers moving in Monday and the Tuesday clearing out, but you see temperatures cooling off behind that. Low 60s Wednesday and Thursdays for highs, overnight lows in the low 40s, so have the heavy jackets with you throughout much of next week. The good news is we will have the sunshine and then rain showers returning moving into next weekend. And don't forget to set those clocks ahead next Saturday and the Sunday.